this is Unit 7. The convoy is maintaining optimal speed. GPS confirms on-time delivery protocols are met.
As you can see, the cut on this one really highlights the fire. Yeah, so.
It's stunning. The light just dances off the facets.
Automated machines ensure the packaging is tightly sealed, while workers add final touches, such as a certificate.
The resizing is complete. We've polished it to factory standards, so it looks brand new.
Can we see the brilliant cut in a platinum bezel setting?
Of course, the software will render that immediately.
Yeah.
Yes, that looks perfect.
The inspection process is a seamless blend of expert human analysis and high-powered automated scanning, ensuring flawless quality every time.
Your custom diamond piece, verified and ready.
The craftsmanship is flawless. It was worth the wait.
In retail stores, diamonds are carefully arranged into display cases. Workers place the diamonds in secure settings and check the presentation.
That'll be $45.50. You can just tap right there.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
This cloth is ideal for daily maintenance. Use gentle circular motions.
Should I use any specific cleaning solution with it?
The certificate is digitally attached to the file.
And this setting really highlights the stone's fire, wouldn't you agree?
It's perfect.
Sanders. Automated systems precisely place the diamond in protective casing and seal it securely.
We have verified the details, Ms. Wong. Here is your custom diamond piece.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's absolutely stunning.
If you look closely here, you'll see the precision of the facets.
Yeah.
It's truly a remarkable stone.
Yeah.
The clarity is incredible.
Yeah.
Gently clean the diamond like this, then store it in this pouch to prevent scratching. All the details are in the care guide I am handing you now.
Verification confirmed. Ready for processing.
Return successfully logged in the system. Inventory updated. Diamonds are prepared for shipment to online customers. Workers retrieve the diamonds from storage and ensure that each piece is packaged securely.
It's perfect. Great. Set it aside for dispatch.
Real-time tracking systems monitor the cargo from the moment the doors seal, ensuring maximum efficiency and security.
Shipment 4 Alpha cleared for processing.
Confirmed. All scans match the manifest. Double check initiated.
At the regional warehouse, diamonds are carefully monitored and logged into inventory management systems.
As you can see with the loop, the cut on this one is exceptional, maximizing brilliance. The clarity is also flawless.
How often should I have the setting checked on this ring?
Yes. We recommend bringing it in biannually for a professional cleaning and inspection.
Old diamonds are repurposed for new jewelry designs. Precision tools and automated systems ensure each stone is perfect.
This specific cut just came in from the vault system.
It's stunning. Is this the one we reviewed online?
Yeah. Yes, the details match your preferences exactly.
This scan confirms the clarity and cut are exactly as specified. Your payment has been processed securely.
Excellent. Thank you for the efficient service. Automated systems monitor the diamonds in this temperature-controlled vault, ensuring a quick and synchronized storage process with zero risk.